Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. Let's check another important question for Java beginner. That what is the difference between int and integer? So, int is a primitive data type that holds row numbers and it's super fast. While integer is a wrapper class that makes it work like an object. So why use an integer? Because it lets us use int in collections like ArrayList and allows null values. So in the simple manner, int, simple and fast, used for performance. Integer, it is object friendly, used for advanced operation. Mention both and when to use which shows clarity. So was this helpful? Then smash the like button and subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. For more interview winning content, thank you very much guys. Bye bye and take care.